In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eBay account perfect for beginners who are just getting started with online shopping or selling. Let's dive right in and set up your account step by step. First, open your preferred internet browser and navigate to www.ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll find the option to register, either on the left or right side. Go ahead and click on Register to begin the process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you'd like to create. eBay offers two options. If you're looking to casually buy or sell, a personal account is the way to go. However, if you're representing a business or plan on selling frequently, consider opting for a business account. Most beginners naturally start with a personal account, so let's continue with that for this tutorial. Now you'll need to enter some basic details. Start by providing your first and last name, just as they appear on official documents. Then, make sure to enter a valid email address. It's important that this email is currently active, as you'll receive important notifications here. After that, create a secure password. A strong password typically includes a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once everything is filled out, click on Create Account. Alternatively, if you're looking for a quicker method, eBay allows you to sign up using your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. This can streamline the setup process and might be a convenient option if you want to bypass entering your details manually. After you've created your account, eBay will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your inbox for this email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Additionally, they might ask you to verify your phone number by sending a text message with a code. Simply enter the code you received to complete this step. Moving on, it's time to set up your account preferences. Begin by adding your shipping address, the place where any purchases you make will be delivered. Next, choose your default payment method. Options typically include a credit or debit card, PayPal, or directly from your bank account. Choose what fits best with how you plan to use eBay. Personalizing your account is optional, but it helps add a touch of personality. Consider uploading a profile picture and setting up a username. Your username becomes your eBay identity, so aim for something simple and easy to remember. And just like that, you're ready to explore all that eBay has to offer. You can start browsing, bidding, or buying instantly. If your interest lies in selling, make sure to add seller information, such as your bank account and tax details, to start listing items. Congratulations! You've successfully set up your eBay account. Happy buying and selling!